Everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we're going to be making chocolate donuts or chocolate Mahamrys or chocolate Mandazis. This is an East African dish that I decided to add cocoa in it for the kids and to jazz it up just a little bit by sprinkling it with powdered sugar. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you, let's go ahead and review all the ingredients. So for the ingredients, we have here 3 cups of white flour, half a cup of cocoa, which is unsweetened cocoa powder. I've got 1 egg. We have got a tablespoon of yeast. We are going to use a pinch of salt. We have here 8 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using olive oil. I've got 8 tablespoons of regular white sugar, and then here I have half a cup of water and half a cup of milk that I warmed up, and it's nice and warm. You don't want it too hot because otherwise it's gonna kill the yeast, because we're gonna put the yeast and the sugar in here and mix it so that it can start. Now it's extremely cold here today, so that's why it's better to give it a head start with putting so that it can poof faster. So let's get started. Sugar or can. So you can see here that the dough is a little bit sticky. So depending on what kind of flour you have, you might have to add a little bit, sprinkle a little bit on there so that we don't have like a sticky dough. So I'm just going to be adding I've got about 1/3 of a cup of white flour. We're just going to sprinkle that on our table, and then we're going to start binding the dough. And once we have a dough that's not sticky, then we're gonna let it proof or double in size, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour. You don't need much, just sprinkle a little bit on there. Just see, it's already coming, it's cleaning up, so you just need it maybe just a little bit more. So just do that and keep on binding until you have a really nice, not a sticky dough. So now you can see here that our dough is not sticking at all. And now I'm gonna put it back into our tray here, cover it and let it poof a little bit, like maybe not really double, but just a little bit more, and then I'll show you what our next step is. So just want you to take a look here. It hasn't doubled in size, but it has puffed, and so now is the time that we're going to make our shapes. Now for the shapes, I just wanted to show you here, I have a star shape, I have a flower shape, a heart shape, a round shape, and you could do a donut style too. So really I'm just giving you ideas that you can do so many creative things with this, and so it's basically up to you what shape, whatever, however you want to do it. So let's start rolling this out, and then we're gonna cut those shapes. When you're rolling this out, this is really important because when I've made my Mahamry or Mandazi videos, I've had a lot of questions about how thick do you roll it out or how thin do you roll it out. All right. So, and I've been doing a lot of experiments with my Mahamry or my Mandazis because I want to tell you the right way. Now, there's two types of Mahamrys or Mandazis that you can do. One that is completely hollow inside. It's just puffed and it's completely hollow inside. If you're deciding to do that, then I would roll the dough out where it is half this size. So just about, about 2 milliliters maybe. But if you're planning to do something that has like a dough inside, then you want to keep it where it is quite, which is thick. So more like how you would do a paratha, but even thicker than that. So do you see this? So it's about, I would say, a good 4 or 5 millimeters. See? So let's go ahead. That's why I'm mentioning on the video, because it is very, very important that you know what kind of Mahamrys you want to make. And we're going to let this rise again. So I'm going to leave it thick. And then what you want to do is you just want to do your shapes. So really, and then we're going to transfer this on a tray, or you can also transfer it. You can take a cloth, put it on your table or any surface, and then you need to cover it up and let it puff again. And then your chocolate Mahamrys are gonna come out so nice. All right, so this is gonna be our heart shape. I think I did it the other way around. And then let's do one just for the heck of, if you want to have like chocolate donuts. Put that on our tray. I'm going to put this on there too. Okay. The other way I'm going to show you is what you can do is, say if we didn't cut out in the shape that we were doing, but if you just had the whole dough, okay? I'm going to put this just on the side. I'm going to take another dough so that this one just loosens up a little bit. Right, so we take this one, and say you just want to do something simple. You don't want to do any shapes. Then again, roll it out. And for this one, because I want to show you the difference between the two, I am going to roll this one out thinner than we did the shaped ones, and that way we'll be able to tell, because the shaped ones we know that we left it about 4-5 milliliters. Okay, so this one I'm gonna make it thinned out a bit more, about 2 to 3 milliliters, and then when it's fried, you'll be able to tell the difference between the two. And I've had a lot of questions on that. So if you're making the regular Mahamry or the regular Mandazi, then you know that, hey, what's the difference between rolling it out more and, all right, so you can see here that we have a bigger circle, and look at how this one is. It is half the size of, half the depth of this, we did the shaped ones, okay? So then at this point, what you can do is very, very simple. You can just make whatever shape you want. You can make them square. You can make them round. Right? Or if you've seen sometimes at the mosque when we get them, they're just like in cut like this in wedges, like, so you can do that. And and again, whatever size you want to do it in too. So I've given you quite a bit of ways of you can do this, and you should get about 20 out from this measurement. So I'm gonna cover this up, and then I'm gonna let this again double in size, and then we're gonna start frying. Show you how really nicely they have doubled in size. Do you see the ones that were the thicker ones? See how really nicely. They've doubled. And then you see the thin ones have not doubled too much, but just wanted to show you the difference. These are gonna turn out really, really good. So I'm gonna start frying. I'm just gonna now, oil is nice and hot. We're gonna add these in there. And you should see, how you see that it's puffing up? That's perfect. Our oil temperature is perfect. You just wanna take the oil and you wanna just put it on top, just like that. And then we're gonna turn them around. These are really fun for kids, something different, different than just doing your normal Mahamry or Mandazi. I think these will be really, really good with like a glass of cold milk. This would be awesome. Okay, see, once it's puffs up like this, that means that it's done. So you can see that our Mahamrys are all fried up. Now, before, or I could add the powdered sugar on there, so you just kind of want to, you know, take your powdered sugar and sprinkle it on there. And what I want to do is I want to get into one that we had rolled thin, and then one we had rolled really thick. So remember, these were the thin ones. So look at it. When you cut it, remember I told you that this is going to be really, really hollow. You see how hollow that is? There is nothing else in that, okay? Now, let's get the ones that we did that were thick. So this is pretty hot. Now this one, it's kind of hard to see, but do you see how it's got this layer of dough? While this one has no layer whatsoever. That's the difference. When you make the plain ones, you can really tell the difference. But see how you've got the you've got the mixture in there. It's not as hollow as this one. So that's, you know, the biggest difference in the Mahamry that is, you know, people have been asking. So as far as doing a taste test, I'm gonna do this one because okay, now because this is a chocolate Mahamry, we added half a cup of sugar to it, and this is not sweet. When you see a chocolate Mahamry, you wanted it to be sweet, so you could add up to 3/4 cup of sugar if you wanted to, because you want it a little bit sweeter, and the cocoa is also bitter. But otherwise, like, we love this at home, but just to make it, if you want to make it more sweeter, then you can do that. So these are fantastic. That's something different for the kids. They're gonna love it. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, so please do so. I'm trying to make a lot of videos. My Ramadan is coming, on the month of fasting. You're gonna see a lot of videos come up. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope I can see you here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.